Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to video, and today I'm going to show you on how to drop ship products from Temu to Shopify. So basically we are going to talk about on how you're going to transfer products or importing products from Temu, it depends on how you pronounce it, to Shopify. So you're just going to type out timo.com and then you would be able to see their website. And when you're over here, you can see different types of widgets and users that you can choose. And obviously, Timo is a very famous store. And as you can say, it's quite the best seller, to be honest, because all of the products of this are, at a good price. And they also give a variety, a lot of different products. So obviously, it's a very good website. And, an e-commerce storing and to buy products, and it's really amazing and stuff. Now, to find, in-depth product on Timo, to actually import these products, obviously we're going to need some type of extra provider. There's different things like Importify or anything. So basically, you can use Importify for yourself, or you can use any other, basic provider or free provider that you can get. And obviously, you're going to need to add those providers into your Shopify sales channel or ABS channel. But we're going to get into that into later. The best thing about Temu is that you can actually import bestseller products with quite decent pricing. And obviously, you're drop shipping, so you're going to get a strong commission out of these products, which is also pretty incredible. And the thing about Timo is that there's a lot of drop shipping providers that ban your website because they think it's a copyright issue and all of that. Fun thing about Timo, they never copyright you for the products. So actually, drop shipping from Timo has never been easier to start things off. What we're going to be doing right now is we're going to come over to the apps channel, go on the recommended apps, and go over to the Shopify App Store. Now, once you come to the Shopify App Store, you are just going to use the search bar at a tab and then search for Importify. Okay, just type out that one and you're going to click on the search button and you'd be able to see here the different drop shipping application that you can use. So you just have to find the Importify. So basically this one, so you just have to click on this Importify. Okay, so after reading all of this here, you just have to click on the Importify application. After clicking on the Importify, you would be able to see here the application works with. So all of this Amazon, Shein, Alibaba, and there's more. After that, just click on the install button. So since I already have this application, you can see the open app. So I'll be just going to click on the open application. And after that, you would be able to see this section or this website on your screen. So here, if you choose a plan, you get 1 day free trial for yourself as well, which is pretty nice. So you can go with a 1 day free trial. So if you want to go with a free trial now, I would say obviously premium is the best one because most people use this, and to most people it's really helpful as well. But if you're starting off and you don't want to waste a lot of money, you can just go with a basic plan now. Once you've gone with your basic plan, from there, so you just have to put here all of your information in order to get this basic one. So including your card. So you can see at the bottom, you'll be able to click on the select option. So if you decided to get one of this, just click on the select button. So obviously it's going to be paid through your Shopify now. Once you've gotten the idea of this, what we're going to do from here is we're going to come over to Timo and we're going to actually start importing products. But to import products to your Importify list, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to a new tab and you're going to write Importify extension and you will be able to see this Importify extension. So you'll then just have going to click on it and then click on add to your browser. So basically I already have this one, so you can see the remove from Brave option here. So right after doing so, you're going to go to the website that you actually want to import the products. Okay, so in our case, we want to import the products from Temu. So what you're going to do now is you're going to the product to, any product. Obviously, we're in the bestsellers, and I'm going to go to overall bestsellers, and there's, tons of different bestsellers that you can go with. I'd say in my case, let's go with, so this one, okay? I would want to get this because it has a low price, and I think it's useful in our bathroom. So you would be able to see the details of this product, including the sold numbers of this product. Okay. So here you're going to click on your extension and it's going to open this app for you. So obviously import it and then click on the add button on the top of your left screen, which is going to come over here, and you're going to click on add to your store. You can just click on the import now, and what we'll do is we'll basically import this specific product over here. And this specific product that you can see, it's going to come over here into your Importify lister. And in your Importify lister, you're just going to go import the list, and inside the import list, you're going to find the product. So from the import list, what you're going to do is you're going to take the product out, and how you're going to take them out is you're going to go on the products, and one by one you're going to send them off to your store or vendor. And in my case, it's going to be our Shopify because we've connected it through the app and sales channel and the app market. Now, once you've connected your provider and connected your vendors, you're going to be pretty good to go from here. It's going to be really easy and it's going to be really simple working. So just important your providers, and you've done that, your products are going to appear over here. And same you're going to do with the product listings and order fulfillment. You're going to come over, obviously, once someone orders a product from you, you're going to come over to your Importify dashboard. And once you come to your Importify dashboard and go over here to the import list and then go to the orders, and obviously you're going to tell the Importify lot over here, and then just tell them that, hey, my order has been fulfilled and I have gotten the money and everything is good to go. So you're just going to input that over here, tell them the people in Importify, and yeah, that's going to be order fulfillment, fulfill it from here, and as well as things going to be good. And basically, that's all about how to dropship products from Temu to Shopify. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how to videos next time. Adios.